The uncle of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Al-Abbas, came to him and said, Ya Rasulullah, teach me something I can ask Allah with. He said, Salillah al-afiyah. He gave him in one word dua, ask Allah al-afiyah. He went a few days and he came back. He said, Ya Rasulullah, teach me something else. He said, Salillah al-afiyah fi dunya wal-akhirah. My brothers and sisters, ask Allah, Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afiyah fi dunya wal-akhirah. What does that mean? Ya Allah, I ask you to be saved from diseases, from calamities, from problems, from any kind of harm in the dunya and in the akhirah. Say it in the morning, at night, anytime.